All right, boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. We are going to do our math strategy for this week. It's called doubles. So it's really important that we memorize our doubles facts, and so that you can just say what they are instead of having to do some counting. So we're going to use 10 frames to help us with knowing our doubles facts. So you can either get a crayon or you can use your pencil. Either one is fine with me. So a doubles is when the digits that are being added are the same number. We're just doubling it. So on your 10 frame, I want you to draw 6. And after you do 6, I want you to draw 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if I look at these 10 frames, there are 12 squares that are full. So 6 plus 6 is 12. And we always write the answer under the line. Okay? Next, we're going to do 10 plus 10. So if I'm doing 10 plus 10, that means that every square is going to be full because there's 10 on the first 10 frame and 10 on the second 10 frame. So please fill up all of the squares on both 10 frames. Okay, so we have 10 plus 10. If all of the squares on our 10 frame are full, the answer is going to be what? 20. Okay, all right. Next, we have a pretty simple problem. We have 2 plus 2. So we're going to draw 2 circles and 2 more. So 2 plus 2, how many squares are full? We have 4. And for our last problem, we have 5. So the top row. And 5 on the bottom row. So 5 plus 5 is going to equal 10. Okay, now let's turn it over onto the back side. On the back side, we're going to practice adding. And this is where we get to practice all of our different strategies. We can use doubles, we can use 10 friends, plus 1, plus 0, or we can do catch and count. So we are going to circle the bigger number and then count up. So 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. 0 plus 2, the answer is 2. On 6 plus 2, we circle 6, 7, 8. Okay, on the next one, even though it's pretty simple, it's 2 plus 1, we just do 2 and 1 more is 3. On the next problem, it's 2 plus 7, so circle 7 and then count up 2, so 8, 9. I use these dots to help me know how much I'm counting. Okay, so 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 2 we already did right up here. The answer is 3. 3 plus 2 we already did. The answer is 5. 2 plus 1, we already did it. What's the answer? 3. 2 plus 7, circle the 7 and count up 2. 8, 9. 4 plus 2, I circle the 4. 5, 6. 8 plus 2, this is a 10 friend from last week, or I circle 8 and count up 2. 9, 10. The answer is 10. 2 plus 0 stays the same as 2. 5 plus 2, circle 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 8 we already did. It's right up there. So the answer is what, boys and girls? It's 10. 1 plus 2 we've seen. The answer is 3. 0 plus 2, the answer is 2. 5 plus 2, circle 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 2, circle 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 4, I circle the bigger number, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2, I circle 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 8 plus 2, I recognize that as a 10 friend, or if I can't remember that, then I go 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6. 8 plus 2 we've seen a couple of times now. What's the answer? 10. 7 plus 2 we've also seen a few times, but we can still do the strategy. 7, 8, 9. And 2 plus 2 is a doubles. That equals 4. All right, boys and girls, very good job. Turn this into your teacher.